the hit CW show Black Lightning. Joining us today to show us how they stay fit and transform themselves into superheroes. I want to welcome Nafisa Williams, who portrays Thunder.
Hi.
And Marvin Jones over there, who plays the villain Tobias.
How you guys doing?
Yes, and they are here with their trainer. I guess we're all pointing here. Justin Shaw, the creator of a 15-minute formula for our abs, and they're going to show us a workout. They're going to show us that in a little bit. But first of all, let's talk about the show. Super success here on the CW.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's good to be home on our network.
Yeah,
And
I know,
showing you
right?
guys how we're
Blessed
just trying to
to
take it to the next level for season 2. That's
Why-
what this is about.
You're the villain, though. You're a nice guy, but you
Yeah.
got to play a villain.
I'm the bad guy on television only.
I know you have such a great smile
really
in
nice
person.
guy.
It's
Thank you.
sweet,
I
but
can
Thank you so
vouch.
much.
what is that like to play a villain?
It's a dream come true. It's really good to be able to tap into some other parts of me that I suppress every day in traffic, and bring them to the forefront a little bit.
Okay,
so
great.
It's good.
That's always good. And then you're kicking butt all the time.
I'm kicking butt.
Yeah.
Kicking butt. So it's really important for me to stay in shape and, just constantly, wanting to take my workouts to the next level
Yeah.
and push myself.
You got to look the part.
You
Indeed.
do, and you need that stamina when you're doing those the stunt training.
Totally do.
It's not easy.
Yeah,
It's
the
not
fighting
easy.
is not easy.
So the more I
stunts
can
are-
be consistent with my workouts, it helps me on the show.
Okay, let's talk. We have a great fight scene. This is between Tobias and Black Lightning. We need to take a look at that.
It's a good one.
So a lot of outtakes on those. You have to do a lot of them.
Yeah, it's
Yeah?
not easy, right? You gotta do
I
it.
mean, so you got to do a lot of outtakes, and then sometimes, like with that fight particularly, we were able to just go right through.
Okay.
A lot of times, yeah, me and Cress, and shout out to Cress Williams, we went right through a lot, but we also trained very hard.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of
So,
training,
yeah.
Justin, you got this abs program. It's called Oz 15. Let's get to it.
Well, the best part about Oz 15, it was given to me by God. So this is from a prayer to the world. I didn't learn it. Nobody taught me it.
Wow.
And the key of Oz 15 is a 15-minute workout that uses very simplistic movement. And it's designed to strengthen your abs and your core.
Okay.
And
Time
your
is
back
up.
a little bit
And
too,
your back.
right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's what
But
I.
that's
And
part
your
of the core.
bottom too.
Let's
believe
get
it
to
or
the
not.
match.
Okay.
Let's
Let's
do
do
it.
it.
Do it.
Has to be-
Okay, am I
Let's do
on
it.
here?
Okay,
Okay.
you're here, Lou?
Okay.
Perfect. So we're going to lay down prone position. Both arms are going to cross our face.
Okay.
I want to be nice and relaxed. So the first movement, we're going to take a very deep breath, and then we're going to relax through the shoulders with blow the breath out. So deep breath, blow it out. Nice job. Everybody relax. Right foot omit, 1 inch. Nice job. We slowly pull that right leg up hypo, straight to slow as you can. Everything hypo. Keep coming up. Nice job. Great. Great face. Good, Glenn. There you go.
Hamstring cramp.
You're coming.
Yeah,
You're coming.
feel it at the
A little
bottom.
higher, Lou. There you go. There you go. Right there. Hold static. Open toe at the top. We go 5 pumps. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. Yeah, and 5. We hold static. Now, right here, we're going to let the tension build. When we rotate off the y-axis, your elbows are going to come off the ground. Don't let it. Right leg pulls left side, x-axis. Elbow stay on the mat. Elbow stay on the mat. Good, Lou.
Oh.
You got to look.
Now, what good is this doing? Is this like stretching our?
Put your-
Oh, goodness.
Stretching that ab out.
You're feeling that right oblique, right? You feel
Yeah.
us elongating that oblique. Hold down. When you hear
Who's pulling my leg down?
That's
Oh,
me.
okay.
Right foot omit, 1 inch. Now just let it hover. Right there, slow. We're gonna keep that leg as straight as we can and pull up everything hyper, really slow. Leg high, nice.
That actually feels really good.
Yeah, it does,
right? It hurts so good.
good.
High leg, we go right leg, 5 pumps again, we come down. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now right here is all about controlling the movement going down. So
All right.
that right leg as slow as you can.
Let's keep working, but we got to get to a break. So for more information on this Oz program, just go to ahss15.com or ahss15 on Instagram. And don't forget, you can watch the DC Comics Black Lightning right here on KTLA 5 Tuesday nights
I want to do the other
at 9
side.
o'clock, which
Okay.
of course is followed by the KTLA 5
You can feel it
10
in
and
your butt,
11.
right?
Yeah, it feels good. I want to
Okay,
do
Luke,
it.
let's go, Lee. Okay. Then we twist. Let's go left leg pulls right side, next axis, really deep.